Hello, this is Abbey Floor Care, and we're here in Burton on Trent Staffordshire restoring a honed travertine tile floor. The main issues with the floor were, after the floor was laid, the grout was never fully removed from the surface, leaving visible grout haze and changing the finish on the tiles. The tiles were not sealed, leaving them susceptible to staining and etch marking from spills. In areas, the grout was also quite dirty. Over the years, the surface of the tiles was worn from foot traffic, and a number of holes had appeared as the surface had worn away. In areas, the kitchen tiles were quite uneven, referred to as lippage. The kitchen had recently been refurbished and areas of new tiles had been laid. The client wanted the old tiles resurfaced to match the new tiles as much as possible. We then installed protective plastic sheeting to the walls and adjoining rooms. There are acid-based grout removers that remove grout by dissolving it in the acid. Acid treatments could not be used on this job for two reasons. The travertine tiles have a honed sheen finish and acids will dissolve the finish on the tiles, leaving them dull and porous. Most modern grouts are made with a rubber-like polymer, and these polymers are resistant to acids. So the two options are to use a solvent-based grout remover. This will soften the polymer in the grout, leaving it ready for removal. This will not damage the honed finish on the travertine tiles. And secondly, mechanically remove the grout haze with diamond tooling. This process will change the finish on the travertine tiles. However, the original finish can be recreated using the appropriate grit size. Travertine tiles have a honeycomb structure, so care must be taken not to be too aggressive. Otherwise, the process will expose the natural holes below the surface finish. We decided to use a combination of chemical grout treatment, hard honing and soft honing. We started by applying the non-acid grout remover to the tiles and leaving it for a couple of hours to soften the grout haze. We then used a combination of 800 grit honing powder and a soft rotary scrubbing brush to remove the grout from the surface of the tiles and clean the dirty grout lines. After the floor was rinsed and dried, we used hard honing equipment starting at 200 grit to resurface the worn tiles, followed by 400 and 800 grit. The honing finished with 1500 grit soft pads to give an even appearance and match the finish of the tiles with a new tile. Once the floor had been rinsed and dried, we filled any exposed holes with superfine colour match grout. We finished the job by applying 2 coats of colour enhanced impregnating sealer. And as you can see, the colour transformation is significant. There is little if any difference in finish between the old tiles and the new tiles. We carefully explained the importance of looking after the floor properly. It is important to use the right cleaning chemicals, as standard floor cleaning chemicals will eventually strip away the impregnating sealers, leaving the floor dull and porous. The correct cleaners will clean and extend the life of the surface finish, so the floor will continue to look beautiful for years to come. If you would like your travertine tile floor or any other kind of stone floor restoring to a beautiful finish, call Abbey Floor Care on 0800 695 0180 or complete our simple contact form at our website at www.abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. Thank you.